Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Abraham and today we're diving into how to use oysters to naturally increase libido and power. Stay tuned until the end for some valuable tips and insights. Let's jump right in. Oysters have long been associated with increasing libido and boosting energy, but how exactly do they work? Known as an all-natural enhancer, oysters provide nutrients that support sexual health, energy, and vitality. In this guide, we'll explore step by step how oysters can boost libido and power in a natural, effective way. Follow each step to unlock the secrets behind this incredible food. How to understand the nutritional benefits of oysters. Oysters are packed with essential nutrients, particularly zinc, which is vital for testosterone production and sexual health. Zinc plays a critical role in increasing libido and maintaining energy levels, making oysters one of the best natural choices for this purpose. Key insight: just 6 medium-sized oysters provide more than the recommended daily intake of zinc, which can help enhance your energy and libido effectively. How to enjoy oysters for maximum benefits. To get the most out of oysters, it's best to eat them fresh, as cooking can reduce the nutrient levels. Enjoying them raw allows you to absorb more zinc and other minerals that directly support libido and energy. Pro tip: try eating oysters with a squeeze of lemon juice, which can enhance flavor while preserving their nutritional value. How to include oysters in your routine. While eating oysters occasionally can provide benefits, including them in your diet regularly, about once a week, can have a more sustained effect on libido and power. Suggested routine: have oysters as part of a romantic dinner once a week, creating a consistent source of libido-boosting nutrients. How to pair oysters with other libido-enhancing foods. Pairing oysters with foods that enhance libido, such as dark chocolate, avocado, or nuts, can help amplify the effects and make for a powerful, well-rounded meal. Power combo: try combining oysters with dark chocolate for a meal that's both delicious and packed with libido-enhancing ingredients. How to monitor and track results. Notice any improvements in your energy, mood, or libido. By tracking how you feel, you can adjust your intake of oysters to fit your personal goals, helping you find the ideal balance. Simple tip: keep a journal noting any positive changes in energy or mood after meals that include oysters. This can help you understand how they are impacting your libido and energy levels over time. Incorporating oysters into your diet can provide a powerful, natural way to increase libido and energy, giving you a boost both physically and emotionally. Remember, enjoying oysters in moderation and pairing them with other nutrient-rich foods can maximize their benefits, helping you feel stronger and more energized. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to experiencing the benefits oysters can bring to your overall vitality and intimate life. Use this guide to make oysters a part of your journey to improved health, energy, and connection in a natural, sustainable way. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care.